Hi lovelies! If you wanna know how I did this sparkly cut crease, keep on watching. I already primed my eyes with Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Concealer number 1 and I set it with Rimmel London Translucent Powder. With an angle brush, I'm drawing my crease guide. It's cropped from Makeup Geek, and as you can see, because I have hooded eyes, I'm drawing the line way upper than my natural crease. Next step is applying the first transition color, which is Smoke from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this brush doesn't have a brand name, I bought it from Rossmann. It's like a loose flat eyeshadow brush. Now I'm applying Fawn from Anastasia Beverly Hills to my brow bone with Ruby May Luxe Crease brush. For a nice ombre, I'm applying Soft Peach right under my brow, and this eyeshadow is also from Anastasia Beverly Hills. As second transition color, this time I'm using Mocha from Makeup Geek. Let's blend them together with Ruby May Luxe Crease brush. Time to darken my crease. I'm applying Corrupt with Ruby May Luxe Pencil brush very gently. Okay, let's blend them again with Ruby May Luxe Petit Crease brush. Cutting my crease with Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Concealer number 1 using Eye Color Flat brush. Now I'm filling my crease with Anastasia Beverly Hills Single Eyeshadow Suede. As highlighter, I'm applying Shimma from Makeup Geek with Eco Tools Shade Brush. My crease line is not dark enough for me, therefore I'm applying Corrupt again. And of course, I'm gonna blend it. This time, I will go for half eyeliner because my eyes are small. And sorry that I couldn't complete my eyeliner in front of the camera because sometimes I have to move a lot. Sparkles are Sandy from Violet Voss. I sprayed Motifs Cosmetic setting spray to my brush and I'm just tapping gently to my lid. Now applying Huda Beauty Jacqueline lashes. For my under eye, I'm applying Mocha from Makeup Geek Cosmetics, and then I'm just gonna blend the edges. Bringing my lashes to life with Yves Rocher Sexy Pulp Volume Extreme Mascara. And then for upper lash line, I'm applying Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in Ebony because I want there to be dark. As final step, I'm applying Catrice Cosmetics Inside Eye Highlighter Pen to my waterline. And this is the final look, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye bye!